Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the VN app version and your device OS features align. If they differ, crashes occur. Once done, backup project files to cloud or a local folder to avoid data loss. Next, free at least 300 to 500 MB of storage and close background apps so memory pressure is reduced. And if VN offers a clear cache button, use it. This prevents corrupted temporary files from blocking exports or previews. Now isolate the issue by creating a tiny test project and re-importing one clip to see if playback or export fails. This tells you if media is the culprit. If the test works, reset VN preferences or reinstall the app while keeping your project folder so settings that trigger bugs are removed. Also update device codecs and remove any corrupted effect presets or third-party packs, because incompatible assets often crash the editor or produce export artifacts. Finish by exporting with a stable configuration, 1080p, 264 at a moderate bitrate so you can confirm a clean render quickly. If a full export still fails, render the project in shorter segments and then combine those MP4s outside VN, which often bypasses transient export bugs. If problems persist, restore from your backup or collect the app log files and contact VN support. Providing log speeds diagnosis and helps them fix underlying crashes or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.